Manufacturers worldwide are dealing with the same pressures. Labor costs and scarcity are increasing, energy costs are up, sustainability regulations are tightening, and they need to run more products on the same footprint. Our mission is to solve those problems.
For processors of fruits and vegetables, whether you're producing sauces, juices, pastes, or liquid foods, the margin question comes down to two things. How much usable product are you getting out of every ton of raw material? And how much energy are you burning to get it? Both of those numbers have gotten harder to defend. CFT's integrated processing lines are engineered to close that gap, maximizing yield at every stage and giving operators the real-time visibility to know exactly where product and energy are going.
When we discuss about improvement of extraction yield, there's not just a value in paper, there's a real money. Based on our experience, a 1% improvement of extraction yield on a large tomato fruit processing line can worth up to €500,000 on a tomato fruit campaign. That's a value we are engineered to deliver.
In packaging, the conversation has shifted. It's not just about line speed. It's also about how fast you can change over when you're running 15 SKUs instead of 5, and how few people you need at that line to do it. Paxiom's primary, secondary, and end-of-line packaging systems are designed to run lean, with changeover architectures that minimize downtime and automation that doesn't require constant operator oversight. On the regulatory side, the burning question we hear is how to get packaging into compliance with sustainability mandates without retooling our entire line and without sacrificing throughput. That's not a future question. Customers are making those decisions today. IWK's tube filling and cartoning systems are engineered to handle the new generation of sustainable packaging formats and to change over fast enough that flexibility doesn't come at the cost of production time.
Packaging customers are getting squeezed right now. Labor is harder to find and harder to keep. Regulations are ever changing, and it's hard to simply keep up. The companies pulling ahead aren't choosing one problem to solve, they're solving both. They're investing in flexible, automated systems that need to perform, and that's where we come in. We bring processing, packaging, and automation together into solutions that adapt, scale, and deliver. Because when we solve these challenges with our customers, we all win, and we call that better together.
Manual inspection and portioning are two of the most labor-dependent, error-prone steps in food production. They're also the two places where the gap between what's going into product and what's actually getting paid for is highly exposed. Raytech Vision's optical sorting technology sees defects, contamination, and quality variance at line speed, replacing the inconsistency of manual inspection with a system that applies the same standard to every single piece. Marco's precision weighing and portioning eliminates labor and giveaway waste that quietly drains margin on every shift. ATS Service, your trusted partner for fast, streamlined, expert-driven solutions you can rely on every step of the way.
A plant manager doesn't call us because the machine is interesting. They call us because they need help keeping production running. What we've built is a service organization that is sized and equipped to make that call as short as possible. Because we know that downtime is not just a maintenance cost, it's a revenue problem.
Processing, packaging, assurance, and intelligence. Every problem your line faces, we've built a solution for it. Not because it's good engineering, because your results are what we're actually measured by.
I want every customer to know that we don't consider factory acceptance test as the finish line. The questions they came to us with, the yield problem, the labor problem, the compliance challenge, those don't go away after commissioning. We stay until they're solved. That's what our platform is built to do.